Well, good morning. Good morning, guys. Happy Tuesday. All right. I love the work that you guys are doing on your Mother's Day stuff. That is so awesome. Now, some of you are having problems with the acrostic maker. Well, make one on your own. Guys, look at how they're lined up and you just type one out. If you can't get that to work, then you just write one yourself and type it on there. Works just as well. In fact, I don't know, it may be actually look better because you can be more creative with your font and your color and all of that. So anyway, you could do it either way. I don't care which. Great job, those of you who have already done the cloud and cut and pasted and put it on there. It looks awesome. Some of you shared them with me and then I copied and put them on there, but some of you did that yourself. That was awesome and it looks so good. Some of you shared your paragraph with me. I don't think anybody's actually put it on there themselves. You can do that yourself on that last slide, but I know some of you haven't even worked that far, so that's okay. But good job, good job. Keep working on that. Make sure you get your slide done this week, okay? All right, so today you have, what do we got? Miss Hyde. She's got a video for you. Now, boys and girls, on this one, yesterday, I was watching some of you are not remembering your consonant LEs. When you broke your words apart on yesterday's and you turned them into syllables, great job on a lot of the words, but some of you had just consonants in a syllable. Remember, there has to be a vowel in the syllable. So don't get racing through those so fast that you're not thinking about what you're doing. Okay? All right. Now, these are like flashcards that you will, I think, that you'll drag and drop. And then there's another one. So this was open. So look at that. I got it to the right spot. That would just be, hopefully you won't have the problems I'm having. You're just going to drag it to the right spot. Okay. And then you'll read the next one. All right. Put her back. All right. Good deal. Okay. Then you're going to go to this website and explore any topic about the Greeks. So you're going to go in there and you are going to, on this video, this is me. I did the video. Woo! Pardon my yawn. You're going to go in there and you're going to just explore. Look for topics about the Greeks. All right? Find something interesting and then you're going to tell me what you learned. Okay? Now, where am I? Tell me what you learned. All right, and then make a Spark video. Okay, I want you to be masters at these videos. Okay, so some of you have just, oh, I've done one, I'm not good. Every time you do one, try to do something a little bit different on it. Okay, part of the wonderful thing of all the things that we haven't liked about this, part of what we have liked about it is how awesome you're getting at technology. Okay, some of you are fearless and you're not afraid to try anything. Some of you are. So I want with every video that you make that you try something new, that you try to add something different. Some of you just had slides on one before. You didn't add your voice. Some of you did. You had pictures. You inserted your own pictures. And try something different. Now on this one you couldn't because this is about what you learned about on the slides. Okay? All right. So let's go back. All right, guys and gals, I want you to have a great, great day. Remember to work on your slide. And guys, this is not much work at all today. So you should be able to get to your slides and get to your Mother's Day and make sure you get your slides done. That one slide. Okay? Love you guys.